Hey everybody, so I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I took some time off just to enjoy it, and plus it was just loud around here, so you wouldn't have enjoyed that. So everybody's in bed now, the dogs are quiet, so I thought I would do a haul. I'm gonna split this haul in two. This is the auto ship, and then some things that I've bought when I'm out and about or see them on sale. And so let's jump into this. So I got two of these mats for my canning and when I wash dishes, and I really like these because they're the blue and white like my dishes. And I think those were $7.99 for both of them. I got a jar of the Italian veggie mix. The last ones I got was the California mix. I got a 4-pack. Let's see if I can open this. Of the Knorr carbonara, which I've never seen before, at least not in the stores. So this is a carbonara. It's the mix to make it, so you could use your own ham or the canned hams or even your Spam and your spaghetti and make a carbonara. So I got those. Sounded yummy. I got a 12-pack, you can see that right there, a box of 12-pack of meatballs in spaghetti sauce. Just open, heat and eat, and you're good to go. And that's all shelf stable. Get you back over here. I got 4 cans of Manwich. This comes in my auto ship. I ordered the meatballs separate. This comes in my auto ship, and they haven't been able to supply it lately, and it hasn't been in the store, so it was nice to get that. I got this for, you know. So I got that. That was a separate purchase. They had these on sale, so I bought 2 of these because we've had a lot of power surges lately. So you might want to think about that, if they're going to be electricity problems. You want to make sure that all your electronics are protected, and if your stuff is older, your surge protectors, you want to replace those. They do get worn out in time. I was going to show you if I can get it out. That these move. The plugs, they rotate around and stuff. So I thought that was kind of cool. And they have them where you can get them with the USB chargers and everything as well. So yeah, you might want to check those out. So I got 2 of these. I got a white one and this one. The white one has the USB chargers on it. I got another one of these for just in case, and this is a water filtration system. And if I remember correctly, this will filter 100,000 gallons plus of water. So that's a lot. So I can filter the water from our rain barrels if need be. This is another set of mats for my canning and draining dishes, and they are in gray. I got Kongs for the dogs because they know what Christmas is, and I got these marathon attachments that go in the bottom. It's a treat. It's supposed to be mess free. Last winter during that snowstorm, my dog started getting really bored, and I had one Kong, and I had to makeshift some dog toys into that, and it kept them really busy. So yeah, if you have dogs, you might want to get something to keep them occupied if they get stuck in the house in the winter. And then these are some doggy toys, so their Christmas is finished. I got a barbecue glaze shake and bake just to have something different. I got this for, you know, the bags that your groceries come in when you go to the store. I got this to store them in because I use them to line my bathroom trash cans, poop scooping, things like that. So getting organized right now is really important. If you're feeling stressed out and stuff, get everything organized, and that will just make things a lot easier in a chaotic time. I got another box of Pint mason jars, and I got this case of, don't know if you can see it, cherry pie filling. I have some of my own home canned from last year, but I don't know if I'll be able to get fresh cherries next year, I guess you'd say, because I couldn't find any this year. So thought I would get that, and you can use that in all sorts of ways. You can make your own turnovers, pies, tarts, crumbles, cheesecake, whatever. And then last, I got a case of Goya canned hams. I have not tried the Goya, and I bumped into you guys, but I got 12 of these, and they're 1 pound. So, and that is it for this. And these stack nicely. I mean, for storage, these stack right inside each other. So, you can see that. So that's nice. A lot of them don't do that. So yeah, I feel like we are ready for winter. Actually, around here they're saying we're going to have an above normal winter temperature wise. I know this week we're going to be in the 70s, and I won't poo-poo that. So yeah, I have a lot of videos coming. The orange extract, some pet videos, things we can do for our pets, some recipes for our pets, some leftover makeover with the turkey. I'm going to do some Thanksgiving egg rolls. I have a lot of videos coming, so you'll probably get sick of me here pretty soon. But yeah, this is half of the order. I have another box of stuff that I will do a video of that. And yeah, I hope you all really had a good Thanksgiving. I have been using up those leftovers like crazy. Nothing's gonna go to waste. After I put this away, I'm going to put my bone broth on to start, and I will be canning up some stuff with that, some broth, and probably some turkey and gravy. And there's other canning videos I'm gonna do. I have the French fry video ready to go. some dehydrating videos. So lots to come. I have a ton of things to do in the kitchen, and then I want to get started on my flooring. Well, get the floor sanded down to get the floors looking good. Anyway, so I'm just babbling on. Don't get too weirded out by this new transformer illness that's going around. I don't think it's going to be as bad as what everyone's predicting. As far as the grocery stores go, I think Walmart's the one having problems. Go to other grocery stores. I went to Winco. I'm not going to say everything's perfect. You know, they didn't have Pillsbury brands, but they had Winco brands. They didn't have the Philadelphia cream cheese, but they had Winco cream cheese. So, I mean, you may not find the brands that you want, but the food is there, and they weren't fronting stuff. They were using like their overabundant amount of things to fill the freezer section and such, but other than that, the dairy, the eggs were $1.07, whereas the Walmart by me is charging $3.38. So the prices were even better at Winco than Walmart. So you're seeing all these videos about shortages. They're all at Walmart and Aldi. So hit up some of your other stores if you have Save a Lot. We don't have that here. They shut them down. But Buy for Less, we have that. Cash Saver, Homeland, Winco, Crest. Try some of your other grocery stores. There's food on the shelves. And yeah, just be prepared for whatever comes, but don't freak out. Nothing right now is too crazy, and I'm not going to get into the fear mongering over here. We're just going to get prepared, take care of our family and our animals, and try and stay as cheerful and happy as possible. So, because otherwise I could rant. And, you know, right now things aren't as bad as what they say. And get ready to plant a garden or plant some pots or get one of those green stalks. They grow peppers, bell peppers, and green beans grow really well in there. Don't plant tomatoes and things in that. But, yeah, just get ready to do things. Just be a little more self-reliant. Plant what you can. Grow what you can. Prepare for spring. Get some fertilizers and stuff in the shed or in the garage, and just hang in there. Everything's going to be A-okay. So if you have any questions, please post them down below. Leave a comment if you can. My channel's really struggling. It's not getting the interaction, so I'm kind of being hidden out there in no man's land. And thumbs up really help. So if I could get some interaction over here, it would be great. So yeah, and watch out for those preppers who have been prepping just for the last year, and their information comes from YouTube. Be careful. I've been doing this for 20 plus years now. So yeah, there's a lot out there, y'all. Just be careful. Take care of yourselves. Follow reliable information. And I'll shut up now. And stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.